Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zarasha Putri with NPM 2441228 in class AKT 24A. In this video, I will talk about measures of data dispersion. What is data dispersion? Dispersion or variability refers to the extent of which data values spread out or vary around a central value, such as the mean or median, while measures of central tendency like mean, median, and mode describe the center of data. Measures of dispersion describe how much the data value differ from the center. Understanding data dispersion is essential because two data sets may have the same average but very different spreads. Knowing the spreads help us understand the consistency, reliability, and distribution of the data. Why are measures of dispersion important? Complement central tendency measure. Measures of central tendency alone do not provide complete information. Dispersion measure add insight into the spread and variability of the data. Aid decision making. In many fields, such as quality control, finance, and research, knowing how data varies is crucial for making informed decisions. Detect outliers. Dispersion measure helps identify extreme value that may affect the analysis. Common measures of data dispersion. Number one is range. Definition. The range is the difference between the maximum and minimum value in the data. Formula. Range is maximum value minus minimum value. Example, for the data set 5, 7, 9, and 15, the range is 15 minus 5 equals 10. The advantage is simple and quick to calculate, gives a raw idea of data spread. This advantage is highly sensitive to outline and extreme value. Number two is mean absolute deviation or MED. Definition: the average of the absolute difference between each data point, the mean. And the advantage is provides an average distance of data points from the mean. This advantage is less commonly used in advanced statistics compared to variance and standard deviation. Number three is variance. Definitions: the average of the squared difference between each data point and the mean. Variance measure how spread out the data are around the mean. The advantages, while used in statistic analysis, and disadvantages is the unit of variance is the square of the data unit, making it less intuitive. Number four is standard deviation. Definition is the square root of the variance representing the average distance of data points from the mean in the same unit as the data. The advantage is some unit as the data easy to interpret and commonly used in many fields, and the disadvantage is can still be affected by extreme value through class so that range. Number five is interquality range. Definition: the difference between the third quartile, the first quartile representing the spread of the middle 50% of the data. And the advantage is resistant to outlines and extreme value and provides a robust measure of spread in the central part of the data, and this advantage is does not consider the entire dataset, only the middle portion. Does not consider the entire dataset, only the middle portion. The conclusion is measures of data dispersion are crucial for understanding the variability and spread of data. They complement measure of central tendency by providing insight into how data value differ from the center. Common measures include range, mean absolute deviation, variance, standard deviation, and in quartile range. Each measure has its own strengths and weakness, and the choice depends on the nature of the data and the analysis objective. That's all my explanation. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.